Hi guys, my name is Jean Davis. I am the founder and CEO of the Institute of Financial Freedom and Investment Solutions located right here in Atlanta, Georgia. Today I'm going to be bringing you a tax tip. And for the next 4 days, I'm going to be bringing you a tax tip that I think, guys, is going to save you. As a matter of fact, I know it's going to save you thousands of dollars. Make sure the information that I give you guys, you follow it carefully, and always seek counsel with your CPA or whoever does your taxes. And if you're one of our clients, you can always seek counsel with me. So the first tax tip that I want to go over with you today is for you to think like a prosecuting attorney. Now, what do I mean like that? I mean, you have your log right here. You have your planner on your desk. Like I got my planner right here, guys. That basically I record my meetings. When I have a meeting right here, it's in my planner. On my daily expense log, is on my daily expense log, and they're able to track that. There's a lot of programs out there, like example, TaxBox, that allows you to record your daily expenses, allows you to record your mileage, your meals, your entertainment, your travel. But how can I think like a prosecuting attorney like that, Gene? You have your recording. You have the program there that you're able to put the information in, but where's the receipt? Okay, if I'm driving, let's say I'm in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm going to a business meeting to Alabama, then guys, I have Google Maps, I have MapQuest that I can go ahead and type in the address, and it's going to give me the total calculation of that mileage. As well, when I go to the program and I go ahead and log my mileage, it's going to give me the total calculation as well. So that's Exhibit A and Exhibit B. Let's think about business credit cards. I tell people all the time, business credit cards are so awesome. If you have a business account at your bank, guys, you don't have to have a regular credit card. You can just have your business account at your bank and just use that card to purchase all your business expenses. If you do a business lunch, guys, along with that credit card, make sure you have what we call the daily expense log that says who, what, when, where, and why. It explains that you're meeting this person over a business deal. Maybe you just did some real estate. Maybe you're doing a business presentation and this is a possible business partner. Maybe this is someone who you're getting ready to close a big deal with. I don't know, but you put down possible business partner is the reason why, and you document that. And then get the receipt from the restaurant. Make sure on the back of the receipt, you put the name of the person and whether it's a possible business partner, real estate deal, whatever, you make that notation. Make sure you make a copy of the receipt. Now you might be saying to yourself, Gene, do I have to do all that? Listen, think like a prosecuting attorney. I am an ex-IRS auditor, and I'm telling you what we look for. And just putting a mileage log together by itself, it may or may not work. But if I have something to prove, like I go into Google Maps, like I said, and I can put that in there, and you can see, okay, yeah, that calculates that. If I have a receipt from the restaurant and I show that along with the daily expense log and show that, it allows me to see that, okay, this person is very serious about their business. You should every month have a month end where you're able to calculate all your expenses, mileage, meals, entertainment, travel, your supplies, workshops, seminars, consultations. You should be able to calculate that. That's your daily expense, and then you have your monthly expense that break it down. And like I said, there's so many programs out here today that allow you to record it, but keep the receipts. Keep the receipt from if you have a business, keep the receipt log there, guys. If people pay you cash, you write a receipt, keep that to show proof of that. You attend a workshop or a seminar. Yes, you have the credit card receipt that you paid for, but how about the proof of the seminar that they give you the ticket? Make a copy of it just to show that you have it. Always think like a prosecuting attorney. You think like a prosecuting attorney, you won't have to worry about your taxes. You will be audit proof. Like I always say, no need to stress from the IRS. Just put on your audit proof vest. And you do that by being audit proof and thinking like a prosecuting attorney. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can go ahead and leave it down below. If you need help with your taxes, you're being audited, you don't know what to do, go ahead and contact us below, guys. We look forward to helping you. And guess what? Tomorrow we're going to come back with tax tip number 2. And listen, we have a conference coming up very, very soon. And you could go ahead and click on the link below to find out all about this conference that we break down from A to Z. Everything you need to know about taxes, how to be audit proof, how to protect yourself, how to protect your assets, how to grow your business. We're having that conference coming up very soon. And you can just click on the link below. It's going to give you all the information. Again, my name is Jean Davis. I am the founder and CEO of the Institute of Financial Freedom Investment Solutions. I am a former IRS auditor and tax and financial expert. So guys, listen, you want to know the information, you want to come from the best, just go ahead and give us a call. We're here for you. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow with tip number 2. Take care.